Just Michael Coates.
Into the lower 50s right now in Pocatello, looking live at the Farm Bureau cam. We've seen some mid to high level clouds just kind of drifting on by, and actually very pleasant weather. In fact, we even broke a couple temperature records. Now, we tied a record in Burley. We broke a record in Idaho Falls by a couple degrees. Pocatello, 57 today was the record that they set. That goes back to the 60s there when we had it 55, and Rexburg also breaking a temperature record at 50 degrees. But pretty quiet conditions along the west coast. There's a little bit of moisture in Washington State, and we're going to start working on some of that moisture, trying to creep in to the Continental Divide as we go through the next couple of days. But all in all, high pressure very much in command of our forecast here. Let's go right over to Vipercast, and this ridge of high pressure will stay strong as we go through the next few days. Now, going through tomorrow, much the same. Warm temperatures during the day, a few passing clouds. A lot of that's going to be high-level cloud cover, and that's just spilling over from the northwest. That high is going to sag across the Great Basin in Utah heading into the next couple of days, and that's going to open the door for some cooler air and also some scattered showers to creep in as we get into next week. But it's going to hold steady through the weekend. Saturday afternoon, just a slight chance of maybe getting some moisture in Lemhi County and also around Island Park and West Yellowstone. But you have to really go into western Montana and northern Idaho to see any threat for rain and snow really for your Saturday. Saturday night, we'll see just a slight chance again of that snow creeping into Island Park and West Yellowstone, maybe getting close to Jackson. Again, slight chance of snow in the mountains this weekend, but it's going to be very light if we do pick up any accumulation. Then we get into Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon is looking great. It's not until late night Sunday and early Monday that we start picking up cooler temperatures and some scattered rain and snow showers. But we're still looking at rapid snow melting with temperatures during the day well above freezing, even into the mountains. And take a look at my chart here. As we get through the weekend, temperatures are still above average, but getting into Monday, there we go. We're starting to cool things off and getting a little bit closer to the seasonal norms. 28 for Idaho Falls for the low tonight, 54 for Idaho Falls for the high tomorrow. Just shy of 60 degrees in Pocatello, and we'll hit 60 in Burley and well into the 60s for Twin. 48 for Arco, same for Mackay, with the mid-40s, and around Salmon we'll hit the mid to upper 40s also in Stanley. Just shy of 50 there. Just shy of 50 also for Rexburg at 48, with the lower 40s during the day in Jackson Hole, 46 in DuBois, 44 for Ashton, with around 47 for Soda Springs, lower 50s for Lavin, mid-50s for Preston, and the mid-40s in Montpelier. The 8-day forecast, here we go on that ride, heading into next week with cooler temperatures just around the corner. 49 for Sunday afternoon in Idaho Falls, with a little bit of this rain and snow coming in late Sunday night in through early Monday. Cooler conditions into next week, with numbers dropping back into the mid-30s for Tuesday. Pocatello highs here pushing again near 60 for the next couple of afternoons. Mid-50s on Sunday, 40s for Pocatello on Monday with a little bit of rain and snow trying to creep on through, and then we'll look for colder temperatures getting into the middle of next week. Rexburg, a chance of some rain and snow heading in late Sunday, early Monday. Highs again near 50 for Friday and Saturday, just shy of that 50 mark. We'll look for overnight lows into the teens and 20s. Blackfoot, beautiful conditions tomorrow with highs near 60. We'll see highs near 40 for Monday, and we'll be into the 30s for Tuesday of next week. Salmon, slight chance of a rain snow shower this weekend, but still looking at fairly dry conditions on Saturday. Highs into the mid-40s in Salmon. Lower 30s right around freezing for Tuesday afternoon. In overnight lows going into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Very cold, back to single-digit levels. Jackson, also going to be looking for a big drop in the numbers. We go from the lower 40s in Jackson Hole down to the lower 20s on Tuesday. And take a look at some of those lows. That's more like winter there.
Yeah.
7 for the low. That's where we should be hanging out in the mountains at least. But we will get some snow. We're going to add a little bit of powder there. It's not going to be a major snowstorm that comes through into next week, but you know, things are going to start to feel a little bit more like February. Hopefully we can stabilize things on the ski slopes just a bit.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
There are fancy chocolates, and then there's this particular bar. The